This is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio. So what you guys can possibly expect. Right now we have Temperance in the reverse. So right now you guys could be fighting or trying your level best to get peace in this connection or balance this connection. Okay, with High Priestess, I do not see much communication happening because you guys are not on the same page. Okay, like one person is trying to fix it, the other person just does not seem much bothered. Okay, you could go on either side. So what's coming towards Scorpio from now until the end of the month, Spirit? What's happening in Scorpio's soulmate connection from now until the end of the month? So what's happening in Scorpio's life right now? What's happening in Scorpio's life right now, if you may ask? Right now with Empress card, you guys are trying to focus on yourself. Okay, Empress is all about self-growth. Okay, all about loving yourself, respecting yourself, nurturing yourself, looking after yourself, your soul, your body, your future. Okay, bottom card we have is Messenger of Earth. Right now your financial career or your financial life might not be going at the pace you wanted to. You know, it's natural because of the things that are going around in the world. But you are not so happy, but you are still wanting to fight. You are still wanting to move forward. You're not quitting. Okay, I see you trying your level best to move forward, to get better success, to get more success, to find your way towards better things in life. Okay, one card for what's happening in Scorpio's soulmate connections. What's happening in Scorpio's soulmate connection, if you may ask? Some of you might be connected with the Libra. Okay, or some of you with the Pisces. So right now at 4 of water, I believe that one of you feels ignored. Okay, bottom card is a Fool card. In the past, someone might have tried to possibly see where things go. Someone might have taken a leap of faith, but right now things are not happening the way you want them to. Right now I believe that there's this phase where you feel your person is not giving you much attention. You are not feeling good about the connection overall. You rather feel like you rather feel a little down, a little depressed. You feel like this connection is kind of not making you happy to the point you thought it would. Okay, one more card. What's happening in Scorpio's life right now? Right now, some of you might be also resisting the temptation of falling in love. Okay, so take what resonates. Second card, again we have the Empress card, bottom card 5 of Wands, top card Ace of Air. So you guys are very focused on making a breakthrough in your life, like achieving something in life. With Empress card, I also feel like many of you are connecting with either a air sign or a fire or a possible water sign. Okay, could be any sign in particular, but so I see these two signs for now, two subcategories for now. Okay. Some of you, even though the connection seems not happening, you are still wanting to focus on the connection. You are still wanting to see if this has a future. You in some which way still want to be a part of this connection. No kidding. But I still feel on some which level that you will fight for this connection, even though you feel like it's not making you happy. It's not at the place you would want it to be. But still, I do not see you quitting the connection. Okay. Top card is Ace of Air. Some of you might also want to communicate with your person. Some of you might get communication from your person. With Ace of Swords, I do see communication happening, however. Okay. So that was your energy. So let's start your tarot now. All that my dear Scorps need to know. I love Scorpio people. They are very straightforward. Sometimes they might behave sneaky, but that's Scorpio for you. The good and the bad. But all fun, man, all fun. So, okay, so one card for what's the overall energy going to be like within Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 10 days? What's the overall energy going to be like within Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 10 days? What you could possibly expect? Right from now till the end of the month. What's the overall energy going to be, Spirit? we have the Judgment card, call. Okay, so some of you need to end something in order to choose something. Okay, you guys have choices. It could be on your side or your person's side, but Judgment card only comes in when someone needs to learn their lessons, someone needs to make a decision, someone needs to let go of something in order to come towards something. Okay, top card we have is Five of Air. So you guys are very fearful of the outcome. You guys have second thoughts. Okay, your own negative thoughts are kind of creating issues and problems in your life right now. Okay, so whatever it is, I believe someone in this connection needs to make a decision. Someone needs to choose you, or you need to choose someone. Okay, the choice could be between two people, or choice could be between work life, love life, work life, family life. Okay, so yeah, give me one more card for what Scorpio soulmates energy towards Scorpio now. What Scorpio soulmates energy towards Scorpio? One card for what Scorpio soulmates energy going to be like towards Scorpio. One card for Scorpio soulmates energy going to be like towards Scorpio. Nine of Fire. So, very honestly, I believe that you guys have gone through the ups and downs for a long time now. When I see Nine of Fire, that's Nine of Wands. You guys know each other from at least 6 months and more. Okay, with Six of Earth, this person in the past was giving in, not much, but was giving in. But right now, I see resistance from their side. Okay, this person is holding back. This person is not coming forward much like you would like them to. Okay, top card we have is Nine of Water. Don't get me wrong, you still make them happy. You are their happiness with Nine of Cups. But with Nine of Fire, they are still resisting the temptation of feeling what they feel for you. I'll be very honest here. Sounds crazy, but it is what it is. Okay, with Nine of Fire, I see resistance from their side, like not not willingly coming forward towards you, not willingly communicating, not willingly being around you. Okay, so one card for how are they going to possibly come forward towards Scorpio? How are they possible to come forward towards Scorpio now? One card for how are they possible to come forward towards Scorpio now? Card for how are they possible to come forward towards Scorpio now, Spirit? Some of you, this person and this connection is about lessons. Okay, like you guys have lessons together. This is not a petty connection. You guys will go through certain things to learn certain lessons. With Four of Air, I'll be very honest, this person might come forward in a very friendly manner, not in a very emotional or a very sexual manner. I see them rather holding back, taking their timely breaks, not coming forward the way you would like them to. Okay, so majorly holding back. Okay, with Four of Air, this person might also try to friend zone you in some which way. Okay, might not want to talk about feelings and stuff. They might communicate, but I still see them not being open emotionally. I see major resistance from your person's side. Okay, my readings are very straightforward. I'm just like you people. I'm very, very straightforward. Okay, my moon sign is Scorpio, by the way. So one card for their intentions towards you now. What Scorpio soulmate's intention is going to be towards Scorpio? What Scorpio soulmate's intention is going to be towards Scorpio, Spirit? One card for their true intentions towards Scorpio now. With King of Earth, King of Fire and Eight of Fire. Right now, I believe as of now, this person is just trying to focus on themselves. Okay, King of Earth is a very selfish card, to be honest. So this person at the current moment might be only wanting to fix themselves, only wanting to focus on themselves, only wanting to do themselves. Okay, however, I do see communication from their side. Okay, I've told you at the start, I'm telling you again, I do see this person will want to communicate. However, I do not see emotional angle in this connection. Like this person won't want to open up emotionally. Yes, they will communicate, but they will not want to speak about their emotions, their feelings, their whatever. So yeah, in terms of what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action is a Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting to take towards Scorpio now? One card for what action does Scorpio soulmate possibly want to take towards Scorpio? With the devil card, I see them, temptation. So it tells me that they will rather hold back than come forward. Okay. With page of air, this person is stalking you. That much I could tell you. With six of air, yes, this person will try to stay away from you rather than come towards you, like in a very emotional manner. Yes, they'll communicate, they'll be around, but I do not see emotions being shared, or this person just trying to stay away from you emotionally, not wanting to invest emotionally. That's their plan. I'll be honest with you. Okay. So in terms of what you could expect from them now, what could Scorpio possibly expect from their soulmate for the next 10 days? What could Scorpio possibly expect from their person now? With six of fire, don't get me wrong, you will get this person's attention, but you'll find them rather resisting you than coming forward, to the way they were coming forward towards you. Okay, so I see them giving you attention, but don't expect much in terms of emotions and feelings and flirting and this and that. It could happen, but I don't see this person like confessing their feelings for you and stuff like that. They might flirt, some part of sexting and stuff will be definitely there. Okay, but I still see them resisting, wanting to open up to you. Okay, so why is this all happening, Spirit? Why is this all happening? What's the main blockage in the connection from Scorpio soulmate side? What's really blocking Scorpio's soulmate from coming forward towards Scorpio? What's the main blockage here, if you may know? What's the main blockage in this connection, if you may know? I can tell you one thing is that this person loves your attention. They are not someone who gives you attention, but this person is someone who loves your attention. Okay, might be someone who's very self-focused, someone who's a businessman or a businesswoman who's only focused on their finances and their growth and their future. Blockage could be Tower. They fear this connection ending on a bad note. Okay, this person is fearful of breakup. This person is fearful that this connection will end on a bad note. Okay, so ending is a big problem, and they are very fearful of endings. Okay, the Tower card, or something, some changes coming in, or this person could also have issues changing their ways. Okay, this person is someone who is not very willing to change their ways, or to change the ways you want them to possibly let go of. So they are not someone who is very willing to change their ways, or to change their habits, or whatever they do that you don't like. Okay, so yeah, with Four of Fire and Ace of Fire, for some of you, the fire is missing in the connection. That the passion could be a problem, like sexuality could be a problem. Okay, fire is missing in this connection. For now, I see Tower and Ace of Wands, which is almost like someone feels like the passion is missing. Okay, it could be a issue, but for major people of you, I feel that it's endings that's bothering your person. Like, what if this connection ends? That shit. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards Scorpio. What are their current feelings towards Scorpio, please? What are their current feelings towards Scorpio, if you may ask? What are their current feelings towards Scorpio? Current feelings, darling, they are waiting on you. Okay, this person is resisting the temptation of coming forward. Rather, that I see them waiting on you. They definitely look forward to this connection, no doubt. They do have feelings for you, no doubt. But I see them waiting for you. Okay, Ten of Cups is their overall feeling. So this person in the past could have had intentions of getting married to you or having a family with you. They do love you a lot. 10 of Cups is the best card to get in terms of feelings, okay, besides the Ace of Cups. But with 3 of Fire, I see them waiting on you, like waiting on you to either change your ways or to come forward. For some of you, this could be a long distance relationship, since the 3 of Wands has showed itself. With Strength card, right now I see them resisting, like not opening up, or not, you may notice that this person suddenly has gone cold, like they do not say things the way they used to, or they do not express their feelings towards you like they used to. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward now? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Scorpio? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Scorpio, if you may ask? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Scorpio? With 2 of Fire and 6 of Earth, I do see balance coming in eventually, but it is still going to remain on crossroads. Okay, so my purpose of giving you readings is that to tell you what's going to happen next. I am not someone who's known for sugarcoating readings. Okay, I'm very straightforward and sometimes hated for my ways, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person now. Love messages from your person, Scorpio. What are they wanting to say to you that they haven't said face to face? We have one card. I never said it before, but you mean a lot to me. Okay, I know you're hurting. That's the second card. I never said it before, but you mean a lot to me. And let's take a last card. I know you're hurting, so they know that you are hurting without them, but due to some reason I still see them holding back. For some of you, this person fears you don't need them anymore, or you won't need them anymore in the future. Okay, so I believe this is the main blockage. I fear you don't need me anymore. Okay, so they may feel like you are too focused on yourself and you're just doing yourself and not really bothered about the connection or the relationship. Could be a possibility. So let's ask the angels what they want from you now. What does the Scorpio soulmate possibly want from Scorpio now? What does the Scorpio soulmate possibly want from Scorpio? One card. What does the Scorpio soulmate possibly want from Scorpio now? We have Emperor and we have 10 of Air, which is 10 of Swords. Not a good card to get, but I believe they want you to end something in your life. And with Emperor card, they want you to take control over your life. They feel like, you are letting your life go by, or you are not taking your life seriously. That's what they feel, They feel like you're not taking the connection seriously as well. And with 10 of Swords, they want you to end something that is bothering the connection right now. I do not know, but there is something bothering the connection which they feel you are responsible for and you need to end. Okay, give me one more card. Please clarify the 10 of Swords, Spirit. What's this? Like, what does Scorpio possibly want from Scorpio now? It's not that they want you to end the connection. It's not that. If you think it's that. With Queen of Fire, this person wants you to come willingly forward towards them now. With Queen of Earth, they want you to be more nurturing, wanting to be more open sexually, emotionally, overall. Okay. And with King of Water, they want you to start expressing your emotions. Okay, some of you might have told them that this is over and you're walking away and nothing is going to happen, so they want you to they want to know that you are still wanting them, or you are still wanting to continue this. Okay, so this is what I have for you for Scorpio for the rest half of the month. Okay, so if you resonated, darling, please do consider hitting the like button. It genuinely helps my channel grow. Okay, if you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of spiritual stuff there. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Cheers.